Hey folks, it finally happened. The inevitable happened. 100.3, the Sound KSWD is gone. It got swallowed up by EMF, Educational Media Foundation, and is now broadcasting Christian junk. Just like the 92s that are haunting Austin, Texas at the moment. 92.1, 92.5, 92.9, and 91.9, and 106.3 in Gonzales. Wow, K-Love just does not let up. And so 100.3 The Sounds DJs are out to find jobs elsewhere. So I just realized the Sound has been around for 10 years. I think it used to be called like V100.3. It was like a carbon copy of V100 in Dallas. Let me see what it was in. Hold on. Let's see what 100.3 The Sound was in 2003. I'm sure I can find this. 100.3 was R&B. 100.3 The Beat. In 2002, okay. So Soft AC, KIQQ changed to Top 40 Rock, KQLZ Pirate Radio on March 1989. Top 40 Rock, KQLZ changed to Rock 100.3 Pirate Radio on February 1991. And then R&B KKBT 92.3 and Arrhythmic Oldies KCMG 100.3 swap freak dial spots on June 30th, 2000. So they were on 100.3 The Beat. Back in, when was this? Okay, this was February 25th, 2002. Enter site. Okay, so here we go. Here's the site. 100.3 The Beat. Yeah. So, how long was it 100.3 The Beat? Let me go up here to like 2005. Let's see. What did this? Okay, The Beat existed in 2005. So, it's been The Beat for a long time. So, do you think it was The Beat in 2007? Who knows? 100.3 The Beat out of Los Angeles back in 2005. May 9th! May 9th, my birth year! Well, yeah, May 9th, 1985 is when I was born. That's incredible. May 9th. It says May 9th, 2005. I'm 20 years old. That's really incredible. May 9th, 2005. 100.3 The Beat. So here is the earliest I can get this down to is February 10th, 2009. What was this? It just gives me to an error page. So rest in peace. 100.3 The Sound. Maybe you can come back on an internet stream. They were a classic rock station for 10 years, from 2007 to 2017. So in any case, I got 100,000 watts up here. Chip Kelly ran 100,000 watts. I know you can't really see the screen because it's so bright. Let me show you a little bit of 100,000 watts if I can. Let me see if I could dim this. It's so bright, I can't. Let's see. Alright, there's 100,000watts.com. There it is. That's my favorite website since 2002, I believe. This was a great website. I'm on web.archives.org to get this website working. There you go. So these are the headlines from February 2002. Let me see if I can get a headline from... Yeah, February 4th, 2002 is the oldest headline I can get. All right. So rest in peace. 100.3 The Sound KSWD, Los Angeles, formerly an Intercom station. Well, CBS or Intercom, take your pick. Now it's EMF, Educational Media Foundation. That was one of the initials. And it's K-Love Christian. What are you going to do? Rest in peace, everyone. Rest in peace. This was a great radio station, and this was a great website. Bye. I'm signing off. They signed off with the Beatles.